Hello friends, welcome back to CAD skill tutorial. Today we are going to learn about hole command. The hole command is used to create a hole in the given part body. So first create a one part body. Click on position sketch. Select this plane. Click here and swipe. Click on OK. I am taking the center rectangle. Select this center point. Click on constraint. Select this line. Double click 100. Click on OK. Select this line. Click on exit workbench. Click on pad. Mirror extend and OK. Now we have solid body. This is hole command. Click on hole. Select this surface. Now we have a diameter option and depth option. Now I am changing this value by 25 and depth is 35. Click on preview. Here you can see one hole is created. Here bottom option is given for how our end of hole is look like. So two option is given. First one is a flat option and second one is V bottom. So flat means it will create a flat shape at the end. See here, this is a flat surface at the bottom. Now we can select a V bottom. V bottom means it will create a V shape at the end. So click on preview. Now you can see here V bottom shape is created at the end. You can also change this angle from here 120 degree to 100 and click on preview. Now you can see here angle is changed by 100. Click on OK. Now I am drawing a one line on this plane. Click on position sketch. Select this plane. OK. This is my line. Click on exit workbench. Again click on hole command. Select this surface. Now we have a direction option. Uncheck this normal to surface and select this line for direction. I will change this value by 20 and click on preview. Now you can see here our hole is created in this direction. Click on OK. Now I am creating one point on this surface. Click on position. Select this surface. OK. Click on point. Click here and exit workbench. Click again on hole command. Select this point and select this surface and preview. Now you can see here hole is created by taking our point. Click on OK. Click again on hole command. Select this surface. Now click on position sketch. Double click on constraint. Select this point and this edge. Change this value by 25 and OK. Again select this point, click on constraint, select this point and this edge, change this value by 80, click on OK, click on exit workbench, here click on up to last and OK. You can see here our hole is created. Again click on hole, select this surface. Now we have 5 types of holes. Click on type, click here. First one is tapper, counter bore, counter shank, counter drill and simple. So click on tapper. We can change this angle by 25 and click on preview. So you can see here tapper hole is created. Click on OK. Again click on hole, select this surface. Now select counter bore. Now we can change this diameter by 25 and depth is 10 mm. Click on preview, click on OK. You can see here counter bore hole is created. So first we modify this part body. So click here, double click on this sketch, change this value by 200 and OK. Double click here, 200, OK. Click on exit workbench, click here on update, click on hole, select this surface, type, select counter shank. Now we have 3 options: depth and angle, depth and diameter and angle and diameter. So first depth and angle. Depth 20, angle is 90 degree. Click on preview, click on OK. Now you can see here our counter shank is created. Double click on this counter shank, select depth and diameter. Now we can change the diameter by 40 and OK. You can see here counter shank is created. Double click on counter shank, click on type. Now angle and diameter, change this angle by 80 and this diameter by 45. Click on OK. Counter shank is created. Again click on hole, select this surface, click on type, click on counter drill. Now we have a diameter, depth and angle. We change the diameter by 30, depth 10 and angle by 40. Click on OK. Now you can see here counter drill is created. Again click on hole, select this surface, type, select this simple. Now we have a thread definition. Click on thread, thread diameter 11. We can change it by 12. Hole diameter is 8 and thread depth is 5. Click on OK. Thread is created, but we can't see a thread in part body because thread is not visible in this part body. This is all about whole command. Thank you.